Hi everyone, this is Jason beaming in with another Blackboard tip of the week. This week's tip is on two new features in the Gray Center. There are the Batch Delete column and the Batch Create column. As you notice, I've already entered a course and already into the full Gray Center. And just as a reminder how to get there for those who haven't used it too often, is when you log into your course, you scroll down to the control panel and click on Gray Center and then full Gray Center. So now, up here at the top of the buttons, over the Manage drop-down menu, you will see Batch Delete and Batch Create. So let's take a look at Batch Delete first. As you notice, it pulled up all the manually created columns in my Gray Center. When I mean manually created, those are columns that you will use either the Create Column option or the Batch Create column. Columns that are created by the assignment, tests, or other gradable Blackboard items like the discussion board, wikis, blogs, and journals cannot be deleted. You have to actually delete those options within the content area over here on the left-hand side versus the manually created ones that you actually go into the Gray Center and click on either Create Column or Batch Create Column. But what's really nice is that now going to another semester, and if you make some changes and you say, hey, I want to delete a whole bunch of columns at once, I can either globally select all the columns or I can individually select certain columns, like all of the logic columns right here from my math course. Okay. And then click Submit, and that will delete those columns. And very nicely, under the Manage drop-down menu is the Batch Create columns. Here, the first page asks for how many columns do you want to create. So I'm going to just randomly select 4. And now, for each column, I can type in the name, what's to be the primary display, meaning either a letter, a score, percentage, or whatnot. I'll zoom in a little bit to make it a little easier. What category? So for those who are doing weighted totals, this is always good. So now I can say, hey, this column belongs to the homework category or the discussion category or wiki category. I can put in the number of points possible, which is always required. And then I can set the due date and the time that is due. So by the end of the day, and say today. Okay, so once I get all that data configured and input into this field, this form, just click Submit, and that will create the 4 columns in your Gray Center. And this has been your Blackboard tip of the week.